How to sell Pi coins in 2025. First of all, let's navigate and open the Pi Network app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three lines at the top left corner and from this menu, open the mainnet option. Next, find and tap on the mainnet checklist to ensure that your wallet's KYC verification is already completed. If not, follow the setup process to complete the verification. Now let's close the Pi app and open the Pi browser on your mobile device. Once you are in, tap on wallet to move next. Log into your Pi wallet using passphrase or unlock it with your fingerprint. Once the wallet opens on the screen, tap on the pay or request option and from this page select manual add wallet address. Now here we need to enter the recipient's wallet address. So let's go back and open an exchange app like OKX and log into your account. Once you are in, from the assets page, tap on deposit and then select deposit crypto from this menu. On this page, you can search for Pi network and select it. Here you will find the Pi network address, so tap on copy. Now let's go back to the Pi wallet again. Here, paste the copied recipient's Pi wallet address where you want to withdraw your Pi coins. Next, enter the amount of Pi coins you want to withdraw. After that, review the transaction details carefully and once confirmed, tap on send to process the withdrawal. Your selected Pi coins will transfer to the exchange app where you can convert them into USDT. And that's it. This is how you can sell Pi coins in 2025. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.